Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadil Akman Sharizan. I'm from 10-3. I will tell you about story The Three Little Pigs text narrative. Once upon a time, there lived three little pigs who want to build their own house. They decide to build a house so they could protect themselves from the evil wolf, who often bothered them. The first pig was the laziest. He decided to build his house out of straw because it was easy to get it and did not take much time. In a short time, his house was finished and he immediately relaxed. The second pig is a little more diligent than his brother. He decided to build his house out of wood, which was stronger than straw, but still easy to make. In a few days, his wooden house was finished, and he was satisfied. The third pig was the most diligent and wise. He decided to build his house out of bricks, although it took a long time and hard work. He was sure that his house would be very strong. Finally, after a day of work, the brick house was finished. One day, a bad wolf came to prey on the three little pigs. He went to the first pig's house made of straw. The wolf said, little pig, let me in." The first pig replied, "No, I won't let you in." So the wolf said, "Then I will blow your house down." The wolf blew hard. The straw house collapsed. The first pig ran away to his brother's log house. The wolf then headed towards the wooden house. He said again, little pig, let me in." The second pig replied, "No, we won't let you in." The wolf said again, "Then I will blow your house down." The wolf blew hard, and the wooden house collapsed. The two little pigs ran away to stone house belonging to his most industrious brother. The wolf then arrived at the stone house. He said, little pig, let me in." The three pigs answered, "No, we won't let you in." So the wolf said, "Then I will blow your house down." The wolf blew hard, but even though he blew with all his might, the house remained standing. When that didn't work, the wolf tried to get in through the chimney. However, the clever third pig had early lit a fire in a fireplace. As the wolf climbed down and he fell straight on the fire and escaped with his tail on fire. From then on, the three little pigs lived peacefully in the stone house, and they learned that hard work and perfection will always pay off. Moral of the story: don't to be lazy and always try to do your best. So that's the story about three little pigs from Fadil Akmasyarisan. 10, 3, 3, 10, 3. Okay, thanks for watching. Semoga bermanfaat.
Love me like a Hellcat.